neck like a bear and has whiskers like cat. That's the name, bearcat. And these animals are arboreal, meaning they spend most of their lifetime on trees. And to save these animals and let the next generation to still see this beautiful creature, let us hope in the advocacy to stop illegal logging. But instead, let's start planting today that will serve as their home for tomorrow. Ma'am, what can you say about almond?
You're pretty great.
And don't you know that one fascinating fact about Palawan bearcat or Binturo is that they smell like popcorn or pandan even though we don't give them a bath. Alright, a big round of applause for Almond and for my brave adult volunteer. Thank you so much. You may now get your keychain from Zubik Safari. Thank you. Okay, this time I'll be needing another one kid volunteer. I need one kid volunteer. Yes, you ate. Can you please join me here on stage? Come on, ate. Please be careful. Hello, ate. Happy morning. What is your name? Okay, ate. Listen to me. You will help us to feed one of our animal friends. And all you have to do is to hold this feeding bottle. Now, ate, are you ready? Okay, since you're ready, please welcome our rescued animal friend, and this is Amber. Hello, Amber. Happy morning. Okay, ate, just relax. You may now feed Amber with her milk. Yum, yum. By the way, this is Amber, our 7-month-old Philippine long-tailed macaque. They are the subspecies of the crab-eating macaque. They are locally known as machingo, and general term is unggoy. They can be found in Southeast Asia and can live approximately up to 30 years in captivity. And these primates are diurnal and highly social creatures. They have an extremely long tail, which is longer than the side from their head to their rump. Ate, what can you say about Amber? Speechless. Anyways, I'm gonna big round of applause for Amber and for my kid volunteer. Thank you so much. You may now get your keychain from Zubik Safari. Okay, this time I'll be needing another one adult volunteer. I need one adult volunteer. Yes, you sir. Can you please join me here on stage? Okay, while waiting for my volunteer, for more updates and information, you can visit our website www.zumanity.com.ph. Hello sir, happy morning. What is your name?
Roland.
Roland. Okay sir Roland, are you excited to meet our next animal friend?
Yes.
Okay, and since you're excited, please welcome my friend, and this is Iggy. Hello, Iggy. Okay, sir, just relax. All you have to do is to follow the instructions of our handler. Come on, sir, you can do it. Alright, by the way, this is Iggy, our red iguana. They can be found in eastern and southern parts of Africa. They can grow up to 6 feet long and can live approximately up to 20 years in captivity. On the top of their head, these lizards have a third eye. Even though it does not produce images, it's a very important element for them. Sir, what can you say about Iggy?
He's cool.
Cool, alright. A very big round of applause for Iggy and for my brave adult volunteer. Thank you so much. You're receiving a keychain from Zubik Safari. Okay, this time I'll be needing another one adult volunteer. I need one adult volunteer. Yes, yes, sir. Can you please join me on stage? Come on, sir. Hello, sir. Happy morning. What is your name?
Russell.
Russell, am I right? Okay, sir Russell, all you have to do is put your palms up like this. Now, sir, can you do me a favor? Can you promise me anything you will put on your palms and on your head, please do not drop it. Can you promise me that?
Yes, I promise.
Now, sir, are you ready?
Let's do this.
Okay, and since you're ready, please welcome all the way from Serpentarium, and this is Billy. Sir, just relax. We will put Billy on your palms. Alright, by the way, this is Billy, our ball python. They can grow up to 5 feet long. It can live approximately up to 30 years in captivity. Pythons are non-venomous, but they are constrictors. They make use of their powerful muscle to squeeze or overpower their prey. Sir, what can you say about Billy?
Such a wonderful creature.
Alright, I'm gonna give you an applause for Billy and for my brave adult volunteer. Thank you so much. You're receiving a keychain from Zubik Safari. And with that, everybody, please listen to this environmental issue. Now, folks that you have met, some are wonderful animal friends. Now is the right time to talk about them. The reason why these animals are here is because they serve as the ambassadors of their own species to the environment which makes up their home. They are here for you to appreciate their beauty, their intelligence, and the danger they face in their natural habitat. So in behalf of the Zubik Safari Management, we would like to remind you of your contribution to the environment, and that is to reduce, reuse, recycle, refuse, and respect. Maraming salamat po. See you on your next visit and enjoy your stay here.
Once again, thank you